During long-term operation of transformers, the electrical insulating oil gradually ages, forming phenols, low molecular weight acids and insoluble deposits. These components degrade the dielectric characteristics of the oil and the condition of the solid insulation. To keep the transformer working, the oil must be periodically regenerated, that is, its properties must be restored by removing the products of aging. Chemical methods for the regeneration of industrial oils typically require complex equipment and generate byproducts that are difficult to dispose of. Globecore has developed a transformer oil regeneration technology with sorbent reactivation, which does not have these disadvantages. We will consider this technology using the example of the CMM-12R unit with a nominal regeneration capacity of 1000 liters per hour. The system has two functional sections. The first is the regeneration section, which consists of 12 columns, each with 150 kilograms of fluorescent earth sorbent. When oil passes through the columns, the sorbent absorbs only the products of oil aging without affecting useful hydrocarbons. Additionally, a 0.3 micron filter removes solid impurities. After regeneration, the color of the oil changes from dark brown to light yellow, the acid number and dielectric loss tangent decrease, and the breakdown voltage increases. All quality indicators correspond to those of new oil. As you can see, the Globecore regeneration process is quite simple and does not require complex hardware designs. The second section is the inhibitor additive injection unit. After the oil has passed through the columns, an inhibitor is reintroduced into the oil, which increases the oil's resistance to oxidation. Now the oil is completely ready for use and can be fed into the transformer. During the regeneration process, the sorbent is gradually saturated, but this is not a problem. The CMM-12R has a sorbent reactivation mode, which works without any involvement of external equipment and is performed by burning at a temperature of 650 to 750 degrees Celsius directly in the columns. As many as 500 reactivation cycles are possible before the sorbent must be replaced. After the final reactivation, the sorbent can be used as a construction material or in agriculture for loosening dense soils. The control of the reactivation process is facilitated by sensors monitoring the temperature in the columns, and environmental safety is ensured by a two-stage system for neutralizing combustion products, which consists of a carbon filter and a catalytic converter. The system is controlled automatically. Using the touch screen, the operator chooses the required operating mode and controls actuators. The panel displays a process diagram of the system. Control buttons are operated by touch. The unit is easy to operate. The connections to clean and dirty oil tanks is quick due to the quick coupling camlock type connections. There are two side glasses for visual control of oil color before and after regeneration. The maintenance and cleaning of columns is simplified by service hatches in the bottom. Additional capabilities of the CMM-12R are also worth mentioning. If it is equipped with a degassing unit and a TSS transformer safety system, oil can be regenerated without switching off the transformer. The unit can also be used for efficient removal of sulfurous compounds from transformer oil. In this case, instead of full-arrest earth, a multi-component mixture of sorbents is used, each effective for removing a certain range of sulfur-containing compounds. Thus, the 12R is a simple, autonomous and environmentally friendly system, saving on the costs of buying new oil and disposing of old oil. It also improves transformer reliability. What other oil products can this unit regenerate? Let us know in the comments. For more information, visit our website www.globecor.com.